You're watching Good Morning Washington.
We are back at Solar Energy World's headquarters right here in the DMV. And as you can see behind me, we are in their warehouse right now. These are a bunch of solar panels behind us, and they will eventually end up on people's homes. And listen, it all starts with getting that installation running, going. And here to tell us more about how that all works is the Regional Installation Manager, Tom. Tell me about that installation process and how you make it worry-free for customers.
So our goal is to focus on three things. We want to focus on a safe installation to keep our crews safe, a high-quality installation so the customer has installed that they're confident with, and they don't have to worry about the lifetime of the system or any issues, and then doing it efficiently. We want a smooth process for the customer. We don't want to hold them up. We don't want to adjust their calendars too much, so we like to work efficiently as well.
So get those solar panels installed, and then they don't have to worry about them at all?
That's correct. Our goal is to have that installation done at such a high quality that you don't need to worry about it for the next 25 plus years. And that work is backed by an industry-leading warranty.
Great warranty, great prices too. We're always talking about how Solar Energy World is putting money back in people's pockets. Thank you so much, Tom. And listen, it all starts with a free consultation, a free analysis. And you can do that by just calling that number on your screen or visiting their website.